Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Frames matter here because the basket can look still to one person and accelerating to another, and this quick check locks in the right choice.
Start with person A, the driver in the truck frame. Since the basket stays at rest relative to the truck, person A sees no motion of the basket at all.
Now switch to person B, watching from the ground. The truck accelerates in the negative X direction and the basket moves with the truck, so person B sees that same negative acceleration. That means the basket is only at rest for person A, not person B. So the correct description is option B, nice and clean.
Well done! Option B, scan now, watch signs, and avoid rush. Trust given information and check steps before calling something at rest.